Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video will help solve an irritating problem when editing multiple files in Vim. Vim doesn't do a very good job of telling you which file or buffer you are currently editing. If we open a few files in Vim, Vim will tell you at the bottom left what file you are in, but not the buffer number. But when you start making your changes, you go into insert mode, and this information goes away. So if we need to remind ourselves of the file name or buffer number we are currently in, we first have to exit insert mode, then type Ctrl-G. And if we want the buffer number in the output, we type 2, Ctrl-G. But if we go back into insert mode, this information disappears again. So to sum all of this up, we have to stop what we are doing, then ask Vim for this information. This is very disruptive and can be a little mentally taxing, especially after your 10th or 20th time of asking Vim. So here's the solution. The first thing we want to do is always display the Vim status line, which by default only shows when you have 2 or more windows open. And this is with the option last status. And we also are going to add a custom status line that I developed, like so. Now the buffer number and absolute path name will always be present. Link in the description to my article documenting all these commands so you can copy and paste yourself. And here's the complete buffer list that we are navigating through. Here we have the buffer numbers and the file names. To set those options back to defaults, type the following. Or to set those options as the defaults, every time you run Vim, add them to your Vim RC file. And to have these defaults take effect immediately, run the source command. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy this content, please subscribe to my channel and help us get to 1,000 subs. Have a great day.